Let's take a look at the package itself. As you can see here, WELOCK and a smart way to open your door, WELOCK. And we have like a latch that we can just open up here, so tear to open it. And let's open it up here. And please not for reselling. This is a testing unit sent by WELOCK. Of course I will not resell it. And yeah, here we go. Open it up. And we have two holes here for some reason, not sure why. Can lift it up, and here we have the instruction manual. So you can see WELOCK is a system that has many different versions of their lock system, and this one is the one with the pin pad, and this is how it looks like. So this will be the internal handle, this will be the handle from the outside. And yeah, there's a German instruction booklet, and various different other languages are included here as well. So yeah, this is what you can get here. And we will take a look at the instructions, of course, but now let's take a look at what is inside. So we have the door handle itself with the internal knob, so the inside knob, the outside knob, as well as the lock mechanism of the door itself. You can see this is a European standard model, so this should work in Europe without any issues. You can see I can use this here to lock and unlock the door, and this is moving freely without locking or unlocking. I have to enter the right code for locking or unlocking. But this is not the only thing. We have also some NFC chips here, as you can see here. So NFC tags, free NFC tags that you can see, that you can also use as smart door key, because this not only has the possibility to enter the code for the apartment, house or building or whatever to open the door, but also you have an NFC reader, so NFC tags you can read here to open the door as well. And of course there's also a QR code here. WELOCK also has an application, so you can also use your smartphone, of course, for unlocking the door if you want to. So various different ways for unlocking this smart lock. And yeah, this I really like, that we have the possibility to lock the door and unlock the door here with those free NFC tags. And then we have also a little box here, which seems to be like a tool for unscrewing and screwing everything that you need. We will, of course, I will do this later, unscrew my old lock and put this lock in. All the tools that are necessary for screwing in and unscrewing the stuff. So everything that you need is included in this box, which is pretty nice, so you don't have to buy extra tools or have extra tools available, especially when it comes to older doors or something like this. You might not have the right size screwdriver or something like this. This is everything that is in the box, so pretty easy.